Okay, guys, this is going to be a unboxing of a GoBoost brand cell phone signal booster or repeater. So what I have is I have a metal pole building, and I can't get the signal inside the metal pole building if all the doors are closed. So what I'm going to do is install this repeater. Okay, so if I didn't mention it, this signal booster kit with everything included was about $170 shipped off of Amazon. And I know there's other kits you can buy, like one of the more popular ones with RV people is the GoBoost, and there's another one, I can't remember the name of it, but the GoBoost seems to be the most popular. So we're going to try this and see if this works just as good as a GoBoost. See how much signal boost I'll get. Also, when I get on the road, I'll do a review when we're camping, and I'll show you what kind of signal we're getting on our phone, if we get any at all, and when I turn this on to see what kind of signal we get then once we boost it. Okay, so this is a triple band signal amplifier, and it works with AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, US Cellular. The bands are 1700/2100 PCS, 1900 megahertz, and CDMA 850 AWS. And it shows band 2, 4, and 5. So I made sure I have T-Mobile here, and I also have AT&T for the internet. That runs off the cell tower also. So we're going to see how it works with both of those different services. And I made sure those bands are usable for T-Mobile, basically T-Mobile mostly, because I'll have my phone inside the pole barn. That way I can still get phone calls if I'm working out there and the doors are closed in winter. So here's what you get inside. You get this antenna and your mounting brackets, so you can mount this to a pole. It has a pretty good looking connector on it. The cable seems like it's pretty good quality. There's several different types. You'll have to take a look on Amazon or eBay or wherever you're going to shop for this. And they make these with several different types of antennas, and you can also buy the individual components. So you could kind of mix and match. You can buy the main unit. This is the main unit right here. You can buy that, and then you can add on, whatever antenna style you like, whatever you think will work best in your area. I'm going to point this to the nearest tower. It's a directional antenna, this one here, but they have omnidirectional antennas. Say if you're camping and you can't necessarily point this a certain way, which I'm also going to use this when we're on the road in our RV camping to boost our signal. So this is outdoor, that's the indoor antenna. Looks like it's all the same type of connector. And this is the cable they give you. Not sure how many feet, that's probably about 25 feet or so. And your power supply. Looks like it is 12 volts, 2 amps. And this is the main receiver here. It has your connection. This is, I believe, the outdoor antenna goes on this side, on the mobile side. And this is the indoor antenna, I believe. And it also has a little display here for power, and it also says the same thing, 12 volts, 2 amps. And then your different signals right here. And on the display, I believe it shows you the level or something to do with the signal on this display here. And look at the back here. Here's where you connect your DC power. I believe that's the model number there. So it's pretty big and heavy. That's quite big. Probably like 8 inches by 7 or so, and it's very heavy for its size. So there's some heavy electronics in there. So we're going to try that out today. But this is basically what you're going to get inside, and your instruction manual right here. Let's take a look at it real quick. That is in some other language on that side, and then this side must be English. If I can undo it here. So this is the English side. Wants you to point to the nearest tower, run your cable to your repeater. So connect the outdoor antenna labeled BTS. So BTS, this is the outdoor antenna, connects here, and this would be your indoor repeater antenna, like that right there. Two antennas need to be separated by a brick wall. In my case, it'll be a metal wall. You don't want them too close together, or as they interfere with each other. I think that's the main thing. If you have trouble, make sure must be at least 15 meters horizontal or 10 meters vertical from the inside antenna for best performance. Make sure the inside antenna, outside antenna are set up so they're facing away from each other. Okay, that's the big thing. There's a cell tower set up, and single band, dual, and tri-band. So we'll have to see. This might be what the display will look like. And it'll show your signal strength on each channel. They've got some question and answers here. And that's the entire thing. It's pretty simple. Just connect up the wires and point your antenna to a cell tower, and you should be getting signal. And I'll make once I get this set up, I'll make another video and show you how much boost I get in my signal.